Time of Computer History by Ibn Bossi. In 1939 was created the first complex calculator. In the year 1939 in Germany was created the computer C2 for the engineer Konrad Zuse. Konrad Zuse had worked isolated in the development of the new computer. The company Hewlett-Packard showed the picture fantasy with help of devices that were created for this. The C3 is the computer used for aerodynamic calculation. It had created in year 1941 and it was destroyed in 1906. The computer C3 was built by the German engineer Konrad Zuse in Providence, first creation. In 1940, George Stevens had surprised the world by making calculations remotely with the use of a special telephone line. In the until the 1917 was published the Systems of Machine Colossus. It has reduced the time for sending messages. Pizza scissors. With the pizza scissors, the people had stopped in eating pizza without spear. The pizza scissors has perfected the pizza cut. The pizza scissors has changed the way you eat pizza. Thanks.